Hey people, for today's home cooking, I'll be sharing to you an alternative or healthy way of eating some French fries. But I will not be using a potato, but instead we will be using sweet potato.
And this is the adventure of the small kitchen.
So for our ingredients, we'll be using sweet potato, olive oil, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. So when you have already peeled the skin of your sweet potato, you cut it into like a match. So when you finish cutting your sweet potato, you will now soak it in water for 30 minutes so that some of the starch of the sweet potato will be removed. While we are waiting for this to soak up, you will now have to preheat your oven so that when this is ready, you can just toss this with the other ingredients and put it in the oven. When it's already time, drain your sweet potato and we will now pat them dry to a paper towel. And the water for this should be removed as much as possible. We will now put in the other ingredients. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. So quickly mix it with the sweet potato. This helps our sweet potato to be crispy. And then of course, our salt. And your pepper. And then your olive oil. When that is done, in your baking pan, you line them up. They should be lined up like this because we would have to turn each of them. The other side so that it will be cooked evenly and all of the sides are crispy. When the oven is ready, we will now put in our sweet potato. And you will have to cook it for 18 to 20 minutes, but depending on the type of oven you have. This will be kind of hard because we have to turn each side. Have to turn each one on the other side. And some of it have already or will stick to your baking pan. So you just have to be careful. tastier B-roll. Okay guys, we will now taste test our sweet potato. As I've told you, this is a healthy alternative way if you wanted to eat French fries. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Crispy. So good. This is good for snacks for your kids or for yourself. So I see you all in another one. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and you can like and share this video. Have a good day, guys. Thanks.